Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, guys. Let's continue our discussion on the gold market. So yes, the market has erased the bearish possible setup and continuous upward action. So currently it means that we're watching for completion of the ABCD pattern on the intraday charts and see what will happen around the major resistance that stands on 1310 area. So on a daily, although market right now is flirting with the MACD indicator, and potentially it could give us the bearish grabber by the Judd Napoli, but current level is 1304, and today the MACD stands around 1304 or 1305, while the target of the ABCD pattern on the 4-hour time frame chart stands at 1310. Theoretically, as you understand, it is possible to combine both of these patterns, but market has to show significant volatility to complete both of them. So market needs first to climb higher to 1310 and then drop lower below 1304. So there's really significant volatility to close below the MACD indicator. It's more probable that one of these patterns will not be formed, and probably it will be the grabber on the daily chart. But still, at this moment, market stands around the MACD predictor line, and we will see what really will happen. On the 4-hour time frame chart, take a look what's going on. Yesterday we said that we need to keep an eye on the two possible levels. First one is this top, second is these lows. So, and we said that keep an eye on what will happen. So if market will drop below these lows, it will mean that no ABCD pattern will happen, and you could try and take the short position because market will drop back to the 1275, and this butterfly could be formed. Once market will take it out of this top, it means that opposite scenario, and market will climb higher, and we should be ready for AB equals CD target will be completed. And you can see that this actually has happened. So market has shown just minor reaction on our guarded triple to sell. Recall that we have talked about it yesterday and said it was just minor target has been completed, 30% retracement has been done. And later, market climbed higher, erased the bearish scenario by the taking out of this top. It means that no butterfly could be formed. Right now, market stands on the way to the 1310 area. So as soon as market will complete it, this will be potentially guarded triple to sell pattern will be formed here on the 4-hour time frame chart. That's the point where we'll be watching for possible reversal or some bearish signs in this area. So meantime, we're watching for completion of this target because it's still $6 per contract until the target. So market stands 1304, so the target stands around 1310. So those of you who keep the longs from this by this double repo pattern now still could keep it and be prepared for possible profit taking around this area, because currently already double repo has completed the minimal target, because 50% resistance is the minimal target of the double repo, and it has been done. So that's our setup for the gold market. So we're watching for completion of the ABCD, no shorts yet, and then we will keep an eye on what will happen around this area. So if signs of weakness starts to appear, that could be the point where we could think about taking the short position. So we will see what will happen around. But currently, since we don't have yet no bearish patterns on the back, it's not time yet to go short. Speaking about taking the long position, well, currently we stand at a moment where it's very difficult to find attractive combination of the risk-reward ratio because target stands relatively close. But the question is where you could place this stop order. So if you somehow will find some bullish continuation pattern on the intraday charts, minor guarded triple to buy, for example, on the 15-minute chart, you could try to do this. But currently on the hourly chart, on the 4-hour time frame chart, it seems that it's a bit late for taking the long position because target stands relatively close. So that's why our trading plan, since we mostly are focusing on the daily chart, on the 4-hour time frame chart, hourly chart, mostly suggest waiting of the 1310 area, and then we will see as possible reaction on the Gartler's triple to sell.